Hi, morning. My name is Sim here. I'm from AutoCAD System. Today, I would like to share with you how to control your plotting layout. In your plotting in layout, the color example. Let's open one sample drawing. Okay, you have a drawing. You draw a model. Okay, you have multiple color here. But when you want to plot it in the layout, you want it only black and white. Okay, so how to change this? Okay, so example, let's say you already have this drawing here, which is in yellow or road, and when you want to print it out, you don't want the yellow to be shown up on the screen here. So what you need to do, because this is a viewport, okay, all right, what you need to do is just double click to the viewport and then type the layer. Okay, the road is 50, but in the viewport is black. Okay, so you can change it to the color, or basically you change it to black. At this moment, I want to change it to black. So that's why you get it black color. The VP color is the one that you control. Okay, if you change it to yellow, you will see on the screen here. Okay, when you close this, you get a yellow. So what you see here, you will print out as yellow. Okay, so very straightforward. Just type layer in the viewport. Okay, look for the VP color. Okay, not the one the color in the layer, model layer. They are different. Okay, so just control the color to yellow, but the problem is you want it black and white. The VP color should be black. Okay, it depends, right? So in this case, I want it to be black. I change it to 250. Okay, you can change different color in this model here to red color or to white color. In this case, you can change it. Okay, let's say I want my ESPA parking lot or site boundary, plot boundary. I want my site boundary to be in different color, say red. Okay, if you look back at the result, okay, you should get a red color, but it's a bit difficult to see here because the layer may not on. Okay, so that's how easy you can control. Your model is still same color, no changes in your model. The color in model that you draw is still, let's say your motor part or the rest of the color, OKU, okay, those color are still remain. Okay, example, I want to know what is this color. Oh, it's a block at car park layer. So if I change my car park layer, okay, to let's say green, right, light green. So I get a light green. When I go to the model here, you will say light green, but you don't want this light green. So you want to print it in black and white. Double click in the model, type LA layer command. Okay, go to the model part. So it tell you in my model is 70, but when I plot also I want to use 70. No, we click at this. I want it to be black. Okay, so when you save, say okay, you see your color have changed. If I plot this drawing, okay, based on my layout, based on the view, okay, based on the what to plot is the layout. So fit to the screen, I can preview first if I want. Oh, this is how it look like. Okay, so if I'm okay, I just say print. If I'm not, I just cancel. Okay, so that's how simple you can control your printout in the layout by using the LA command and go and change the VP color. What you change in the VP color is only for viewport color, but not in your model. Your model still maintain the same thing. So that's purpose for printing, why you need layout. Okay, thank you. All right, if you have time, please subscribe my YouTube and below under the AutoCAD system. Thank you. Bye.